Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make M&M's fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. The name of this treat gives it all away. It's just a white chocolate fudge with M&Ms mixed in. Let's see how it turns out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own M&M's fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 3 3/4 cups of white chocolate chips, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of milk chocolate M&Ms, and some sprinkles as a topping. I'm also using an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a microwave-safe bowl, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the pan and set it aside. Place the white chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk in the bowl and microwave it for 1 minute. Let it set for a minute, then give it a good stir. If the white chocolate isn't fully melted, continue microwaving in 30-second intervals and stirring until it's melted and smooth. Fold in the vanilla and the M&Ms. Pour the fudge into the lined pan and spread it evenly. Sprinkle the sprinkles evenly over the top and gently press them in with an offset spatula. Place the fudge in the fridge for a couple of hours until set, then remove it from the fridge and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. This is really nice, especially for being so simple. It's nice and creamy with a super crunch from the M&Ms and the sprinkles, and the 2 different types of chocolate gives it great layers of flavor. If you're looking for a super simple and delicious fudge, you really ought to try these. Tonight, I'm going to show you everything to... Nope. And gently press them in with a...